Welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can use logging in the Rocketry app. So there are two ways. One is after you create the app, you would say that Rocketry logger repo is equal to memory repo. And in order to use that, we have to use the redbird.repos and import memory repo. And the other one is the CSV file repo. So the memory repo is a simple one. It allows you to log in memory, which you can retrieve during runtime, but after the execution aborts, it is going to be lost. Or you could say that you set the logger repo to CSV file repo, and in the CSV file repo you specify that the file name is logs.csv. And after that, what you could do is to use use the app to emit logs to a CSV file, which would become persistent. And you could use the Redbird to configure the CSV content. So this was kind of a short video, but basically that was it. So see you in the next one.